guys, welcome to the VIX Master channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button for future uploads, and try to find a resistance, current resistance. As we check here, we have a flip zone right there where price broke support and it became resistance. So this is a good enough information to get together. So what we're gonna do now is go back to the current support. As we check here, this was the current support on the 1 hour. So we zoom out to the current market now. We check for the recent support and what is the trend. So we're looking at an uptrend. Let's just fix or align the horizontal line to the double top. We zoom in, we have a double top right there at the current market. So what you need to gather is the previous data and the current data so that it all makes sense. As we're looking at it now, we have a double top. We have a double top here. Let me just label it for you so that you can understand that we're having equal highs. So it means that price is rejecting at an area of value. As we have zoomed out to check there, it was a flip zone. So price is rejecting at an area of value. That's one information that we have. Let's put it there. So we're gonna label also our horizontal line as our resistance, because price doesn't want to break the highs from this area. So this is our area of value. Let's just highlight the equal highs, the double top. So this is a proper entry reason for us to have a sell in this area. It gives us the edge over the market. It gives us an information of saying market doesn't want to move from or above this area, so it's resisting. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna take the horizontal line and check for our support where we know market might go to from our resistance. So this is our low, a double bottom. We have a double bottom, equal lows at the bottom of the horizontal line. So we know we have gathered now second information about this market. We have two higher highs or equal highs. We have another equal lows, which predicts our resistance and support on this 1 hour. So looking at it, we're gonna pull our trend line to find our sweet spots. We call them sweet spots. So you have to align your trend lines according to the market, according to what the market tells you, according to the weeks. You don't align your trend line to what it suits you or what you want to see happen, because most of us, we force these trend lines and we don't put them correctly. So allow the market to show you where to put them, and you put them exactly where the market says you put them. So we have 3 touches there. We are satisfied. We're pulling out another horizontal line to the next resistant trend line. So you just copy the first trend line to the second one so that your horizontal lines can be equally so. You don't need your trend lines to not be equal. So here we're checking for a support that might suit our targets. So here we're checking, nope, this is not the target because we don't have a flip zone here. So we want to check the next level, which is below here. Yes, this was rejected many times as resistance, and it broke, and it became what? It became support. So this is our flip zone now. So now we have more information to work on. We have a flip zone that turned from resistance into support when market broke the highs. So now we know what we're looking for now. We're gonna use this area as the target where we know that market might come to from our equal highs, from our double top. Market might come to this blue level. Let me highlight it blue for you, you see. So market might come there. So this is our area of value. So let's check for the second area where market might turn. Looking at the trend lines, the support trend line, and then we're checking now at this support blue level, new support level. We see that price might turn from there. We see that we have equal lows there, we have a flip zone there also, and it's an area of value, which means price might also turn from it. So let's mark our resistance trend line. This is our resistance trend line, which is equal to our support trend line. The space between our resistance trend line and the space between our support trend line is the same. We don't force these lines. We put them according to what the market gives us. This is one thing that many people don't understand, and this is why many people miss trades, because they force the lines. The lines has to align themselves. They have to be there themselves. This is our support now. We have our support. So currently we do have an uptrend now, a qualified uptrend, a matured one also. Let's check there now on our recent support. We've got 3 touches, which gives us an equal low. There we put the equal lows for you so you can see what we're talking about. So the first target will be here, because of we anticipating the market to turn from this area, but looking at it, it's gonna be a long downtrend, but we're anticipating the market to turn from here, since it's our first support level from a flip zone. So as our uptrend is exhausted, we're looking for market to go down to break the lows, but we want to take profit from that first support. So as we can see, price is pushing down and the momentum is too high, the volatility is high, the candle is long, so it shows that the selling power is stronger, and our analysis was right, because of the double top resists on that level, so it pushes the market down. So we're just gonna wait for market to break all the lows to our second support level, maybe to the major resistance. So what we're looking at now is price to break the first support, because it looks like it's gonna be a long downtrend, as this uptrend is exhausted. It has triple touches already on the support. Let's check if we're gonna have a trend in trends. Yes, we have a trend in trends, but it doesn't look like it's gonna hold. It doesn't look like it's gonna hold, so we're gonna move that, because it doesn't seem like it's gonna hold. So our first target, as we have set them, then we're gonna have maybe a rejection. If we have a rejection, we're gonna look for more buys in this area. If we don't get rejection, then we're gonna go with the market flow. We're gonna go with the market flow to the downside to our initial target. This is our initial target that we've set for ourselves from the first target on that area. So we're gonna look for more possible sells in this area to the downside. So let me just move that. Here guys, as we can see, price has broken our support trend line. Price broke our support trend line, and from the equal highs, price dropped, and now it has broken the support line. Let's see if this flip zone might hold. Nope, it won't hold because it's not a proper flip zone. It's more of a double of an equal lows on this other side. Yes, but it's not a strong support level. It's not gonna hold the market. It's not a strong support level, so we are confident that the price might still drop in this area. So we have hit our first targets. Now we're looking at this market. As we've set this support, we'll just look at it if it rejects, but I don't think it will, because the equal lows that we have on this area are not as promising. So yeah, we're gonna look at the price to drop from there or turn. If it turns, we look for rejection, but if it drops, we drop with it. We keep on holding the positions. We keep on holding the positions as we have entered into this sell. So we're just gonna have to be patient and wait, because of price have already broke our trend line, our support trend line. So now we just patiently wait for a break of this new support and a retest to the downside. So we'll just check and see where our positions are. Okay, now we can secure profits. Now we can secure profits. Good thing is to secure profit, so that even if price turns back against you, you have made something out of the market. Market doesn't owe you anything, so all you have to do is to manage your trade. You don't have to close them yourself, but once you have a risk management plan, so this is what you do. You secure profits, and then you let the market run. So now as we check, we can see that we are already in profit, and price is at a support. As we entered nicely, we had a pullback and entered again, and now we're waiting for price to give us what we deserve. We're not gonna force the market. We're just gonna let it do what it's supposed to do. You don't force things, and you don't prematurely close your trades. As long as you have analyzed and you have proper analysis, you wait. And let's just put our second target there. So this is how it looks like. So you just have to be patient and wait for all this to manifest. So let's just close this position, remove the positions, so that you can clearly see the market, how it looks. But now from the support, it looks like it's gonna go down. Let me just remove the positions. So this is how it looks, guys. Our first target was hit from the sell after the retest. Our first position was hit, so we are in a good trade, guys. As we have analyzed with you, it looks nice now. So what we anticipate is for this market from where it is now to pull back again into the area, and then to drop to the downside, that's what we're anticipating, because if we check, currently it's at a minor or inner support level. It's just a minor, it's not a strong one, it's a minor, because you remember we didn't get any resistance flip zone on this area when we started, so we didn't consider this area as a strong flip zone. So we're not expecting market to turn back from here. We're expecting it to be tested though, and to continue down. So let's just put the bold horizontal line for you to see. Yep, this is our inner support level where we're expecting market to turn back and retest the resistance now to the downside. So yeah, this is what we're looking at. Let's just move this because it wouldn't be relevant now. It's what we're anticipating, but we are going down regardless of what the market does. So we're going down. This is our target, our initial target from our first analysis. The resistance, the second support, is our initial target. Let's just manage our trades again. We put them at above. We put them above the new resistance, because it's the resistance, is the support line turned into resistance. So we put our stop loss there. This is how you manage your trades. So even price comes back into the area, we know that we have our stop losses, and then even if it comes into the area, we place more sell positions. Then boom, you go, price drops like peanuts. Price drops from our initial position. We just few points away from our target. Our analysis was spot on from here, because now price is just few points to our target on the support level from this equal highs double top. Let's check the positions. Now we can manage them again. You do this, you manage your positions above the previous pullback, then that's how you do it. Managing positions, you secure profit. You don't have to close them prematurely or all of them, but you secure the profit so that even if it comes back, you get something out of the market. Market wouldn't give you millions in one trade, but appreciate what you get. So we're gonna wait until market comes down to our initial target or break the levels and go down to the major support. So our trend line was broken, our support was broken. Now our target to another support, that's where we're looking at. This support was broken. Let's check where we initially had our support. Here on this equal lows, this is where we had our support and our first targets here. Let me align. This is where we had our first targets. So as we can see, it's equal lows, and the market broke this level. Market broke this level. It tested 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then pull back and then break the level, and then retested our support that turned into resistance, and then dropped down. So it happens all the times. I did say it will happen like this. It did happen like that, because it's what occurs most of the times when you have back tested. So let's just align our double top, equal highs. So we're anticipating the market to drop to the lows, but our initial target will be hit. So as we have said, initial target is hit. So we are satisfied, we've secured all the profits, we've made money. This is the easiest way to trade. let me align our target so that you can see we've hit our targets. We've hit all targets without any hassle, So this is how trading is, guys. We make it look easy. So once you have once your support has been broken, you may change the color to pink to know that in that area is where you're looking for sales. So this is how I manage and I reanalyze things. So now we at this area. Price has a bullish candle. Let's see if we can get a resistance from this area. Yeah, we can get a resistance from this area, but I don't think it will hold. I think it will break to the upside because of the candle. There's no momentum to the downside now. All the bearish candles are too small, no momentum. The only bullish candle is the one that is going up. So we're anticipating a move to the upside now. If it rejects, we're gonna have to sell more on this area, and then our initial target will be at the major resistance. So thanks guys for watching the video. It was a pleasure to thank you guys for watching our videos. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button, comment on the comment section below and tell us what would you like to see.